Alright, I'm Jessie Jewart of Jessie's Performance, Fort Worth, Texas. It's really cool to see the variety of cars and what people are doing with them. I did a lot of fabrication and mechanic work before I opened my shop, and then I wanted to get my own car going. So in order to do that, I opened my own shop and bought the tools and built my own car, and then it blossomed into this amazing thing that I get to work on all these really badass cars. So the GT86, we built it for a handicapped customer of ours. It's handy capable. It was his first time ever driving the car at this event. He's really brave for even doing that, because I wouldn't have made my first hit here. Yeah, the Trans Am is my personal car. The 1979 Trans Am. It's got a twin turbo 427 with a Magnum T56. It makes 1,400 horsepower, and it's loaded with Holley product. Every one of these cars here has Holley on it. I stand tried and true next to Holley.